1977, the Brabus name has been synonymous with luxury, handcrafted exclusivity, and performance. The Brabus 1300R is an extension of that bloodline, with its birthplace here at the heart of KTM in Mattighofen, Austria. As you watch this, 154 ultra-unique and extremely rare Brabus 1300R motorcycles are beginning their assembly process by the very best technicians in the motorcycle industry. They will then leave Austria for their final fitment at the Brabus headquarters in Bottrop, Germany. Here, the Brabus 1300R starts its journey to becoming a highly coveted and pristine example of sovereign exclusivity, setting new standards for those who don't settle for anything less.